Hello, everybody. I'm Mathew Spicer. I work as the Director of Clinical Training at the Centre for Positive Behaviour Support, and I'm really excited to have an opportunity to invite you to a workshop that we're running at the upcoming ABA Australia conference towards the end of July. If you're like many people in the field, you'll have noticed some of the criticisms about behaviour services that seem to reflect a missing element or a disconnect between strong behaviour analytic practice and an equally strong, socially valid set of values, or heart set as we sometimes refer to it. In practice, this can look a bit like we're in a context with people and doing things to them rather than things with them, and with stakeholders and the person who's receiving our services. Our workshop will discuss values-based practice that connects technical skills required for quality behaviour analytic services and collaboration as a foundation to building a therapeutic alliance that creates a strong relational context for successful behaviour analytic services. We'll be looking at the multi-element behaviour support model, or the MEBS model as we call it, in a way that analyses both the skills required for practice and values as they align to the 7 dimensions of applied behaviour analysis. The workshop will take a behavioural skills training approach and encourage attendees to hear about, to observe, to practice strategies with reflection, affirmation and collaboration, things that build a strong alliance. And our goal is for attendees to strengthen their understanding of collaborative, socially valid practice and walk away with new ideas for incorporating values-based practice into their daily work.